What's that say? He's not gonna do it now. Ethan, what's that say? What's that say? What's that say? Very good. It says hi. What's this say? Ethan, look. What's that say? Point to it on mommy. Very good. It says chin. What's this say? Very good. It says ear. What's that say? Very good. It says clap. What's that say? Very good. It says arms up.
How old are you, Ethan?
I'm 18 months. Oh, we got sidetracked.
What's that say?
What's this say? You're all done? You all done?
What does it say?
You all done?
What does it say?
What's that say? What's this say? What's this say? Very good. That's the way he says yes. He moves his whole body instead of just his head. Very good. High five. Proud of you, buddy. Anyone do this? That's your prize. Anyone get down? Whee! Very proud of you.